Hey guys, it's Lindsey here. Today we have another review for you. What do we have here today? We have Gymshark lifting pocket leggings. I have never tried these before. Are they worth it? Are they not? Before I get into it, don't forget I link everything up below. When you shop directly from my links, it does help support my channel. I appreciate that so much. I went ahead and got the color black. They have one other color called Depth Purple, which to me kind of looks like a maroon color, which I love that as well. So we got a few colors there, and I went ahead and went with my normal size, which is a size medium. That's what I wear with their Vital Seamless legging, which is one of my favorite leggings from Gymshark. Now, as soon as I got them out of the packaging, I was like, oh yeah, these are buttery soft. These do not have the same feel as the Vital Seamless Gymshark leggings, if you're familiar with those. They are like a lot softer of a legging, similar to Lululemon Align, and in between the Fast and Free from Lululemon. So it's like a tweener between material. Great workout legging feel as well as comfy feel. As soon as I put them on, they fit like a glove. Like they weren't even too tight, where sometimes it's like, ooh, kind of hard to get on. These were not like that. So maybe from between sizes, I'd be cognizant of maybe trying a smaller size, but that's just all dependent on you and your body type. Now, do these pass the high waistband test? Yes, they do. They hit well above the belly button. And another thing to note about the waistband that's different than the Gymshark Vital Seamless is we do have a seam at the top of the legging here, which didn't pinch me or anything. And sometimes it can help when that's up there. It can help the legging from sliding down. So it's kind of a nice feature there. Now, as far as the front seams go, we have no seam in the front, which I love. I had no issues down below, and the gusset, we have a small one, and it seems like it is a single layer gusset, so we got a little triangle down here to prevent anything happening. Now we have a Gymshark logo, front left hip. It's white, so you can really see it. And then on the inside seam, we just have one going down the leg here. We don't have two. As we spin around, as you know, we have those pocket leggings on both sides, and my phone fit in it perfectly. I have an iPhone, and with the pocket legging, they're all kind of designed differently. This one squares out and it kind of has an angle. So it's kind of gives you a nice room for your phone on one side. Then you could literally put like a protein bar or a snack pack on the other side. You have plenty of room, especially in the fall time if you're going hiking or you're running errands, you have those side pockets. Now let's talk about the back. I was super surprised by these when I saw it online. I was like, really, Gymshark? Okay, let's see how this looks. We have a major V up in the glute area on the back side. We have how many lines above the glutes? We have one line that curves up around the glute, and then we do have like a seam that goes on the waistband too, and then down the butt crack area, but there's no scrunch butt there. So with the V-up, I thought it looked really nice. It went up really high though compared to the other ones I've tried. So I'm not too sure if it is comparable, maybe a little bit to like Buff Bunny, I would say, but I thought it made the bum look good. Now, there's something else they put is another seam under the glutes. So now we have a seam, not shading, but a seam under the glutes. And I couldn't feel it when I was standing or walking or anything, but when I squatted, I did feel the seam there, but I just felt it. It's not like it was pulling or tugging or hurting me or anything. It's just something to make note that that's under there to kind of give a nice hug on the glutes, which I think can help make them pop a little bit in a discreet way. One last thing to note, these did seem like they ran a little bit longer, in my opinion, compared to the Gymshark Vital Seamless. However, that's my opinion. I don't know if that is really true. So just something to take note if you are concerned about the length of leggings. Overall, these are a yes for me. They're so comfortable. I love the sizing and fit. I love that they have side pockets, and I do love the glute accentuation. I felt like they were a nice compression, but not too tight. If you have any questions about these leggings, drop them below. Until next time, we'll talk to you guys later.